SupremEX Composites, the stronger, stiffer, lighter material solution. Whether your design challenge is on the road, in the air, or out of this world, SupremEX metal matrix composites offer performance benefits that are unmatched by conventional materials. To make these unique composites, we reinforce aluminum with silicon carbide, which creates an ideal replacement for titanium, steel, and other alloys. Engineered to excel in extreme operating environments, SupremEX composites offer a solution for aircraft components, automotive engine parts, and optical systems for space and defense applications. Their unique balanced property combination includes high strength, exceptional stiffness, high fatigue limit at elevated temperatures, and outstanding resistance to both wear and corrosion. The SupremEX metal matrix composite family is made up of a range of material grades that are engineered for the unique needs of each application. They can be manufactured as billets, forged plates or shapes, extruded profiles, and rolled sheets. No matter the application, you can count on SupremEX composites to outperform the competition. They are 60% lighter than steel and 36% lighter than titanium, yet their high strength and stiffness properties significantly increase component capability. As companies push technologies to new limits, we offer solutions backed by engineering expertise and support that can help you optimize your results. Work with Materion to solve your next materials challenge. The materials you choose really do make a difference. Call or visit Materion.com.